Hello guys and welcome. My name is Abdul Karim. I'm an iOS developer with 8 years of experience. In this series, I will take you through Git and how you will use it in your projects. After finishing this series, you will be able to use Git in all your projects in very professional way. So let's start. So what is Git? Git is a distributed version control system. It's a tool that manages different versions of your code. So what does that mean? Imagine that you have a project and you need to add a new feature. You added that feature, you finished working. Then again you worked on another feature and finished working that feature. Then you worked on third feature and you finished working on that feature. Can you easily go back without Git? Can you easily go back to any point of time, like to the first feature or second feature? It will be a very hard thing to do. You need to delete the code, you need to refactor everything. But with Git, you can easily just kind of go back in time to that feature. So you will even not lose the new feature, but you can just go back to that feature. So this is one of the things that Git help us with. Another thing, it can make working with other teammates very easy because each one will have his own version of code. He can add features. Then the two of you can merge these two features in one big project with a lot of features. So if you didn't understand anything, it's okay, because we will see everything while coding, how we will do everything, how we'll have multiple versions. So don't worry if you didn't understand things from what I said. So let's start. So first you need to open your terminal, and it will be something like that. If not, because I'm using some tools to customize my own terminal, and it will be really cool if you can also do the same. And you can do that easily by visiting on my Zash website. It's very easy to do. You can click on install my Zash. It will take you here. You can run just this command in your terminal and restart it, and you will have it. Also, you can go to the documentation to read more about it, but it's something not mandatory. You can just pass it if you don't want to do some changes to your terminal. What changes it will do? It will just add the branch you are on, the current working directory, things like that. So it's something just optional. You can add it if you want. So first thing we will do, we'll create a folder. I'll call it project X. Then I'll navigate to that folder, project X. And if you list the things inside, it will be empty right now. Still, we didn't create anything. So first thing, I will create a file. So what I'll do, code index.html. If you're asking yourself what is code, it's a command to open the Visual Studio Code. And from where to get, it's an editor. From where to get that, you can just navigate to code.visualstudio.com, and you can download it from here. It's available for Mac and for Windows also. So I have an index.html here. I will create first the head, then I will create the body. I have the body. All right, hello. So if we check now, we have one folder using the list command. So first thing, to add the Git, we will use one command. It's git init. What it will do, it will initialize a Git repository. So if you can see, it's initialized empty Git repository in our folder. As you can see here, now I am on master branch. We'll talk later about the branches, but for now I'm on master branch. One of the commands to use to check what is the status of your repository is Git Status. You will use it a lot to know what is the status of your repository, to check like what is in the staging index. We will talk later about that. What is in like working directory, what is in the repository. So as you can see here, it will tell us that we are on the master branch. There is no commits yet. Commits, it's like the main thing in Git. Like each repository will have multiple commits, and we have here untracked files. As you can see, our index.html still it's not tracked by Git. So what we can do, we can just say git add index.html. Then we can click enter. If we click again git, if we again write git status, we can see now that we are still on main branch, no commits yet, but we have a new file here added to the staging index. So after it's in the staging index, what can we do? What we can do, we can commit this file so it can move to the repository. So to commit this file, we'll use the git commit -m first commit, so you will call it, and then enter. As you can see here, one file changed, 7 insertions, and our commit created. If you execute the git status again, you will see we are on the branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean. So right now all like our work it's on the repository. Let's try to do a change on the index.html. I will add my name. So let's say hello Abdul Karim. Let's go again back to the terminal and try to use git status. As you can see, it will tell us that our index.html modified. But what if you want to know what changes, what things modified? You can use this command, Git Diff. It will tell you here what removed, what's added. In our case, we changed it, so the hello removed and the hello my name added. So this is one of the thing, the Git Diff. It's also very important if you need to check what exactly you have done changes on the branch. So until now, we know git initialize, which will create empty repository for you. You know also git status to check the status of your repository. Also, we used git add to add things to staging index. We also used git commit to move things to the repository. And final thing we have done, Git Diff, to check what things exactly changed on our files. For now, this tutorial, the first tutorial finished. See you in the next tutorial.